Starting around the 2nd of June 2023, Dogecoin is exchanging at 7 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.3% in by and large most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. Doge in a real sense has a sort of complete market cap of $9,981,002,726 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $161,861,855. This explicitly makes Dogecoin exceptionally positioning at 8 in the digital money market in an extremely significant manner. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin for the most part be genuinely worth in 2023, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking? Is Dogecoin a sort of wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2023? Will Doge cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high in an unobtrusive manner? These are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin value expectation 2023 as per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Doge cost truly is supposed to generally cross a genuinely normal value level of 9 cents. The normal sort of least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to explicitly be 8 cents, or so they truly thought. Besides, Doge can basically arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 9 cents. So additionally, Doge can arrive at an in every practical sense, greatest value level of 9 cents, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value expectation June 2023. Dogecoin cost is supposed to in every practical sense reach between 6 cents to 7 cents in June 2023, while the especially normal cost of Doge for the June generally remains around 7 cents. Dogecoin value expectation July 2023. The cost of Dogecoin truly is somewhat anticipated to generally reach at a very least worth of 7 cents in July 2023 in an unpretentious way. The Doge cost could explicitly arrive at a very most extreme worth of 8 cents with the essentially normal exchanging worth of 7 cents all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Doge value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin generally is gauged to be at around an extremely least worth of 7 cents, showing how Doge in a real sense has an exceptionally complete market cap of $9,981,002,726 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $161,861,855, which really is very critical. The Dogecoin value worth can for the most part arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of 8 cents with the sort of typical exchanging worth of 8 cents in USD, or so they thought. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Dogecoin cost explicitly is figured to arrive at a flat-out most minimal cost of 7 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. The Doge cost could in a real sense arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of 8 cents with the essentially normal expected cost around 8 cents, which really is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value expectation October 2023. Dogecoin cost generally is supposed to basically reach between 8 cents to 9 cents in October 2023, while the kind of typical cost of Doge for the October stays around 8 cents. Dogecoin value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the really most extreme cost for Dogecoin could explicitly stretch around 9 cents, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Doge in November 2023 basically is 8 cents with a genuinely normal cost of 8 cents, which generally shows that Dogecoin value expectation 2023 as per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Doge cost in a real sense is supposed to especially cross an essentially normal value level of 9 cents. The normal least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the in every way that really matters. Current year ought to sort of be 8 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Dogecoin cost in every practical sense is gauged to arrive at a particularly the least cost of 8 cents in a significant manner. The Doge cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest cost of 9 cents with the in every way that really matters. Normal expected cost around 9 cents in a significant manner. Dogecoin in every practical sense. Past value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been really diminished by 0.2% in its essentially current worth and in every way that really matters. Huge way. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap generally is likewise down, which is genuinely huge. From most recent 7 days, the Doge in every practical sense was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.11%, showing how basically is Dogecoin a very wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which really is very critical. Dogecoin has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be genuinely great chance to especially dive right in and contribute, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be in all things considered great explicitly purchase an open door for speedy speculation, showing how Dogecoin value expectation June 2023. Dogecoin cost truly is supposed to reach between 6 cents to 7 cents in June 2023, while the typical cost of Doge for the June all things considered stays around 7 cents. Dogecoin value forecast July 2023. The cost of Dogecoin certainly is anticipated to really reach at a for the most part least worth of 7 cents in July 2023 in an unpretentious way. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 17.22%, and the cost course from a by and large least really normal cost of 8 cents to genuinely most extreme pretty normal cost of 8 cents in the fundamentally beyond 90 days incredibly. In sort of most recent 4 months, Dogecoin really has shown a developing pattern, or so they explicitly thought. In this manner, we feel that comparative pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period, showing the way that the Doge cost could fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest cost of 9 cents with the genuinely normal expected cost around 9 cents in every practical sense significant way, as indicated by the barely the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Dogecoin generally is expanded from 4 months, showing that in this manner, we feel that comparative pieces of the market really were very famous at that period, showing the way that the Doge cost could especially arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of 9 cents with the kind of typical expected cost around 9 cents, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost, showing how as per the practically the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Dogecoin sort of is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting that subsequently, we in a real sense feel that comparative pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period, showing the way that the Doge cost could truly arrive at a greatest cost of 9 cents with the by and large normal expected cost around 9 cents in an unpretentious manner. The coin generally is up by 0.03% with the essentially greatest really normal cost of the coin sort of was around 7 cents and the sort of least genuinely normal cost of by and large was around 7 cents in kind of beyond 4 months, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will be Dogecoin especially worth in 2023 in a genuinely huge manner? The Doge cost certainly is determined to for the most part arrive at a truly greatest degree of 9 cents with extremely least cost of 8 cents toward the finish of 2023. Does Dogecoin really have a future in a significant manner? As far as value, Dogecoin sort of has an extraordinary truly potential to arrive at new levels, which generally is genuinely critical. It sort of is estimate that Doge will increment